it was great being around a whole bunch of business owners again.
It was good to get up behind the screens.
It was so good. Yeah. It was good to feel the energy, to actually see people again, to see what they're going through, and start planning for the future.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed that.
Yeah. And takeout? What was your number one takeout from today?
Number one takeout is business owners are more resilient than we think they are. But the simple thing of actually putting it down on paper gets them thinking, gets the juices flowing, and it starts getting the focus going. So.
Yeah, I must say, for me it was interesting just watching people as they came in and worked through the day and got their mojo back. Mm-hmm. And by the end of it, just having that focus and that commitment back into their business and to get their goals. I mean, Harry did such a great job around, how actually we're in this business to earn a market-related salary and to have a return on investment. Mm-hmm. So just, I thought he did a great job, and I think everyone is really geared and set to actually take their business forward and to achieve those goals. So I thought that was awesome.
It was. I mean, when you saw them, when they were talking about their wins in the beginning, and when they ended off at the end, it was like two different people. Yeah. It was the energy. It was like a recharge. It was great to see.
Awesome. So what do you think the value? I mean, we do all this coaching every week with our clients. We do seminars. We see a lot of people. What do you think is the particular value that a business owner gets from GrowthCLUB?
Well, the first thing is we tell business owners to plan, and when you put a business owner by themselves to actually do it by themselves, you're planning all these things, but none of the plans actually have any substance to them. And the GrowthCLUB gives them a chance to plan it, sit down, put it in a format in front of them, get it out of their heads, and actually test and measure it for the next 3 months to see when the next one comes up. And I think it actually gives them a strategy, approach, and to see what works, what didn't work, and how to do it better the next time. And from the business owners I spoke today, they said when they first started to how they're busy planning now, it's very different, and they actually see the growth on the paper.
Yeah, most certainly you see from the guys their first time, it just seems like so much to actually get through. And now you see them starting to make the progress, and I just love to see how fired up they are when they leave GrowthCLUB.
Yeah, I'm actually looking forward to the next one.
Yeah, cool.